Sweeping around the edge of the island is a coastal footpath almost 100 miles long. It weaves along cliffs, beaches, wooded glens and farmlands and is called the Raad na Foillan. Raad means way or road in Manx, and we can see from the sign that there's a seabird involved in this name too. Often when you see a double A in Manx, like in Raad, you get an air sound. In the middle of the phrase we've got the word n, and in this place name it means of the. Foillan. Don't be confused by the way that it's spelt. Foillan means gull. So we have Raad, way, n, of the, Foillan, gull. Raad na Foillan.